Hello, it is Friday, February 3rd, 2012 at 4:02 a.m. Central Standard Time. I just made a video about these two storms that we have here in the United States right now. It's a longer video and it goes into great detail and has lots of things I show you, but it's kind of long, so I wanted to do it, and I don't think I summarized it, so I'm going to do a quick summary here for those that like to just hear about things but don't want to see what's behind them. But anyway, what I wanted to show you is that we had actually quite a few earthquakes here in Vanuatu, and this one in particular, the 7.1 at 1334, it was at 23.1 kilometers deep. And something I did not mention in the other video is one followed shortly thereafter within several 10 minutes. It was at 13.4 kilometers, it was a 4.9, and then like 4 minutes later there's a 5.3 at 10. So it's interesting that the depth goes from 23.1 to 13.4 to 10 in very short order. But then what I want to show you is on NextSat, we can see that at the time of the earthquake, just before, this is at 1331 on February 2nd, you can see right here is a hole, and that is the location of the HARP facility, which I show you in the other video. And if you go over to the HARP induction magnetometer, you can see that while the earthquake does not seem to register unless this little dot counts, the magnetometer in Alaska starts getting active right after that earthquake, within like an hour and a half, something like that, and it drops in frequency. And here is infrared satellite, and this is right after the earthquake. You can see the little hole up here in Alaska, and then right after that, within like an hour, you get this satellite ring that comes in, and it seems to end here, but I show you on the other video how it goes into Texas, actually up in here more, and that's where the storm rises. It also goes into Louisiana, which is where we also have storms this evening. And this is just a quick view of what that ring looks like going into Texas. You can see right here there's a striped cloud, and then this gets offset right here. See that little string? Let me zoom in. And this is at 1445 when the magnetometer gets active up in Alaska. See right here, this little jagged line right here and here and here. And then if I go forward, where it changes frequency is where we start getting these ripples showing up, and then these little holes here. And then like here's a pretty good hole right here, like someone I don't know, splits hot oil on something, and everything starts sizzling and rippling. So anyway, that's the short version. If you want to see what's behind all this, I'll give a link to the lengthier video. It's like an 18-minute one though. So God bless you. Have a good night, or actually have a good day.